To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Next, go to the Reels tab from the available options. Scroll through the Reels, find the one you want to watch, and play it as you normally would. Now, tap and hold on either side of the screen to instantly double the video playback speed to 2 times. You will see a "Slide up to lock 2 times speed" prompt at the bottom of the screen. Slide up to lock the 2 times speed, and the reel will play at double speed automatically until you turn it off. To turn it off, simply tap the screen and slide down to return to normal speed. The video playback will return to normal speed. Also, when you activate 2 times speed, it automatically turns off when you move to the next reel. This feature lets you watch reels at double speed without continuously pressing on the screen, saving time and effort. So that's how you can watch Facebook Reels at 2 times speed with locked playback.